You buy a car, you turn the key, a petrol car roars to life, but an electric car starts in complete silence. Same action, different behavior. This is exactly what method overriding is in Python. Let me show you with the simplest example. So method overriding. It only happens when three things are true. 1. A child class inherits from a parent. 2. The child creates a method with the exact same name as the parent's method. 3. Python uses the child's version instead of the parent's. Think of it like the child class saying, "Thanks for the method parent, but I want to do it my own way." Let's build it. First, a parent class, class vehicle. Inside it, def start of self, and we print vehicle is starting. Straightforward. This is our blueprint. Every vehicle should be able to start. Now, the child, class car, inheriting from vehicle, then def start of self. Notice something important. The method name is exactly the same as the parent's start. This is the secret ingredient for overriding. Inside it, we print car engine started, vroom vroom. Instead of using the parent's behavior, car wants its own. Now create an object. My car equals car, then my car dot start. Run it and you get car engine started, vroom vroom. Wait, why didn't Python print vehicle is starting? Because Python always checks, does the child have this method? If yes, use it. Otherwise, go to the parent. Since car has its own start method, Python never even looks at vehicle. Now watch what happens when we remove the child's method. Delete the entire start method from car, add a pass, run it again. Now the output is vehicle is starting. Since the child doesn't have its own version, Python uses the parent's version. This proves overriding only happens when the child creates a method with the exact same name. And this pattern is everywhere in the real world. Think about animals. A parent class animal has a method make sound. Dog overrides it, barks. Cat overrides it, meows. Cow overrides it, moos. Same method name, completely different behavior. So here's the one-line definition. Method overriding is a feature of inheritance where a child class provides its own implementation of a method that already exists in the parent class, using the same method name and same parameters. 3 simple rules to remember. There must be inheritance. Parent and child must have methods with the exact same name. And Python gives priority to the child's method every single time. If this made overriding click for you, drop a like and subscribe. More Python OOP concepts are coming.